Hello everyone, and a very warm welcome to your first English tense class here on the IELTS Ignite channel. In this video, you will learn the foundation of English grammar. What tenses are, why they are so important, and exactly how to use them. If you want to speak and write English correctly and confidently, especially for your IELTS goals, mastering tenses is an absolute must. So, let's begin. And if you haven't subscribed yet, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you don't miss any of our upcoming lessons.
Section 1. What is a tense?
The word tense comes from the Latin word tempus, which means time. In English, tense shows the time of an action or event. It tells us when something happens, in the past, in the present, or in the future. Look at these examples. I play football. I played football. I will play football. The action is the same, but the time changes because the verbs change. Play means now, played means before, and will play means later. So, tense is all about time and verb form. Section 2. Why tenses are important. Tenses help you express time correctly. They make your speech clear and meaningful. If you use the wrong tense, people may misunderstand you. For example, I go to office yesterday. This is wrong. The time word yesterday shows past, but the verb go is present. The correct sentence is, I went to office yesterday. So, always match your verb with the right time. This is why learning tenses is so important. Section 3. The three main types of tenses. There are three main types of tenses in English. Present tense shows what happens now or regularly. Past tense shows what happened before. Future tense shows what will happen later. Each of these three tenses has 4 forms. That makes 12 tenses in total. Let's see them. 1. Present tense. Present simple. I eat rice every day. Present continuous. I am eating rice now. Present perfect. I have eaten rice already. Present perfect continuous. I have been eating rice for 10 minutes. 2. Past tense. Past simple. I ate rice yesterday. Past continuous. I was eating rice when you called. Past perfect. I had eaten rice before he arrived. Past perfect continuous. I had been eating rice before you came. 3. Future tense, future simple. I will eat rice tomorrow. Future continuous. I will be eating rice at 8 p.m. Future perfect. I will have eaten rice by 9 p.m. Future perfect continuous. I will have been eating rice by 9 p.m. Rice for 30 minutes by 9 p.m. You can see how each tense changes the meaning and time of the action. Section 4. How tenses help you in real life. When you speak English, tenses help others understand exactly when something happens. If you say, I study English, it means it is your habit. If you say, I am studying English, it means you are doing it now. If you say, I studied English, it means it happened in the past. With correct tenses, your English becomes clear, natural, and confident. This is why tenses are the foundation of English grammar. Section 5. Common mistakes. Many learners make simple tense mistakes. Here are a few examples. I am go to school. Wrong. Correct. I go to school. He eat eat breakfast now. Wrong. Correct. He is eating breakfast now. I will went there. Wrong. Correct. I will go there. Always focus on the main verb form and the helping verb. They show you which tense is correct.
Section 6. Quick recap. Tense means time. It tells when an action happens. There are 3 main tenses: present, past, and future. Each has 4 forms, making 12 total. Tenses are key for speaking, writing, and understanding English correctly. This is just the beginning. In the next video, we will start with the present simple tense, which is the base of all tenses. Subscribe to the channel and follow the full series. Practice daily and improve your English step by step. Thank you for watching.